Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making one of my favorite mixed drinks, and that is a Colorado Bulldog. These things are a little sweet and a little tasty, so let's check it out. Before we get started, take a real quick second, click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell. You'll get notifications when we post new videos. So let's get right to making this drink. All right, to make a Colorado Bulldog, a few things you're gonna need. Vodka, your favorite brand, coffee liqueur, also your favorite brand. You can use Kimura, which is the generic version of Kahlua, or Kahlua. I use my homemade version. This is far better than either of those. You're going to need some milk, and you're going to need a little bit of Pepsi. Now, if you want to learn how to make your own coffee liqueur, I'll post a link to the video on how to do that. So let's get started making this. You're going to first take the vodka, about just under an ounce. I say about a half a shot. Then you're going to take your coffee liqueur. I use about a shot and a half to 2 shots of that. And then you're going to take your milk or your heavy cream. You're going to pour in a little. And right here, the dude abides. This is basically your White Russian. So you could stop there and drink a White Russian, or you could take your little Pepsi. This is a Colorado Bulldog. So let's give this thing a try. Okay, so here we are with our Colorado Bulldog. Let's give this a try. One thing I want to tell you, that tastes a lot like a root beer float. So if you use a little more milk, kind of tastes like a milkshake. If you put just a little more Pepsi in there, tastes like a root beer float. Either way, they're delicious. You make it the way you like it the best. And cheers. Thanks for stopping, and we'll see you next time. Wow.